Do you ever feel like your kitchen is always a mess, no matter how often you clean? Exploding head, are your cabinets overflowing, and your countertops covered in clutter? Don't worry, you're not alone. Today, we're sharing game-changing kitchen organization hacks that will save space, reduce mess, and make cooking stress-free. Stay with us till the end because these tips will completely transform your kitchen. 1 Smart Kitchen Cabinet Organization Hacks. Let's start with cabinets. If your shelves are a disaster, adjustable shelf risers can instantly double your storage space. No more stacking plates on top of bowls. For deep cabinets, Lazy Susans are a lifesaver. Just spin to grab what you need. And don't forget cabinet door organizers, perfect for storing lids, cutting boards, and even cleaning supplies. 2 Countertop organization ideas. Now, let's tackle those messy countertops. A magnetic knife strip frees up drawer space while keeping your knives handy. For spices, use a tiered spice rack or a pull-out drawer organizer. It makes finding ingredients quick and easy. Also, swap out bulky dish racks for wall-mounted drying shelves to keep your counters clutter-free. 3 Small Kitchen Storage Hacks. Got a small kitchen? No problem. Hanging racks under cabinets are perfect for mugs or utensils. Use stackable storage bins in your fridge and pantry to maximize space. And here's a genius hack: install a pull-out drawer in your toe kick space, the empty space beneath your lower cabinets, to store baking trays or extra utensils. For dirty kitchen, keep it clean with these habits. The secret to a clean kitchen? Daily maintenance. Always put things back in their place, and don't leave dirty dishes overnight. Use clear containers to keep food visible and avoid forgotten, expired items. And for a fresh-smelling kitchen, keep a small bowl of baking soda in the fridge to absorb odors. With these easy kitchen organization ideas, you'll never struggle with clutter again. Which tip was your favorite? Let us know in the comments. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more home organization hacks.